Guys, this is Russ with Joe's Gaming and Electronics, here with another highly requested video. Today I'll be showing you guys how to remove Apple Watch from iCloud and unpair your Apple Watch so it will make the repair process more quick. So let's go ahead and go into the Apple Watch app, and it will bring a screen up like this. Go ahead and click on your Apple Watch that is paired to your phone, and go ahead and click on the information icon right here. And you have to unpair this Apple Watch before it comes into the repair center in order to make the repair process more simple and more quick. So let's go ahead and unpair the Apple Watch. It's going to make you enter your Apple ID. And now it's starting the repair process. This will take from 5 to 10 minutes for it to unpair, sometimes even faster, depending on the generation of the watch. So it got to the screen, then it's going to start the loop one more time. The first loop was faster than the second one, so it'll take a while for the second one to come back around, and then the Apple Watch will turn on and it's then ready to go. Circle's about there. Almost ready to go. So while it's still in this process, let's go ahead into our settings. Click on your iCloud, like I did there, the top of the name. And make sure the Apple Watch is not there anymore. See how there's the iPhone 7 I am using? Make sure there is no Apple Watch in here. If there is, you will have to click on it, and then you would have to remove. It would have an icon here to remove it from the iCloud. But since the Apple Watch is here with me, it will automatically remove it from iCloud. There you go, the watch is unpaired.